Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to avoid awkward silence. The key is proactive engagement and genuine interest. Start by preparing a few open-ended questions. These encourage detailed responses beyond a simple yes or no. Actively listen to what others say, allowing you to ask relevant follow-up questions. Observe your surroundings for easy conversation starters, like commenting on the venue or a shared experience. Sharing a brief, relevant personal story can also bridge a gap. To keep the conversation flowing smoothly, always ask follow-up questions. This shows you are truly engaged. Seek out common ground by exploring shared interests, which naturally fosters connection. A sincere compliment can make someone feel at ease and open up more readily. If a topic begins to fade, gently suggest a new one, perhaps related to something previously mentioned or observed. Your nonverbal cues play a significant role in avoiding silence. Maintain comfortable eye contact for about 3 to 5 seconds to show engagement without staring. Use open body language, like uncrossed arms, to appear approachable and inviting. A genuine smile creates a friendly atmosphere, encouraging others to speak. Commenting on the immediate environment or event can also spark new discussion points. Remember, brief silences are a natural part of any interaction. It is okay to have one or two. Use these pauses to gather your thoughts or simply enjoy the moment. If a conversation truly reaches its end, excuse yourself gracefully, perhaps by saying you need to mingle or grab a drink. Not every single moment needs to be filled with talking, so embrace the natural rhythm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.